Today we learn about long division method. This is the perfect method to get square root of large numbers. To find square root of 9409, start taking pairs of digits from the right. So 09 will become one pair and 94 another pair. Look at the first pair 94. Find the largest square that is just less than or equal to 94. That will be 9 square 81. Write 81 below 94, 9 as divisor and quotient. Next step, subtract 81 from 94. We get 13 and bring down the next pair 09. Next step is very important, so listen carefully. Your divisor will be twice of the current quotient. 9 into 2, write 18 with a blank space next to it. Now find a digit to fill the blank space such that when you multiply the entire new divisor by that digit, it is equal to 1309. Let's try placing 7. 187 multiplied by 7 gives 1309. Subtracting both of them gives 0. So place 7 next to the current quotient and your final answer is the quotient at the top, 97. Now let's look at a 5-digit square, 16384. Start pairing digits from the right, 84, 63, 1. Consider the first pair 1. Largest square less than or equal to 1 is 1 square. Write 1 below the pair and also as divisor and quotient. 1 minus 1, 0. So bring down the next pair, 63. The new divisor would be twice of the quotient. Write 2 along with the blank space. Fill the blank space so that when multiplied with the same number, it is less than or equal to 63. If we take 3, 23 into 3 becomes 69, which is incorrect. Let's try 2. 22 into 2, 44. This seems okay. Place this 2 next to 1 as the new quotient. Again take the difference of 63 and 44, 19, and bring down the next pair 84. Here divisor is twice the quotient, 24 along with a blank space. So 24 blank multiplied with the same blank number should give 1984. If we put 8, 248 multiplied by 8 is in fact 1984. Bring 8 next to 2, giving the square root value as 128. Remember, this method works for any square value, there is no exception. But it does require a little bit practice. So find square root of this number and write your answer in the comment section.